మూసే చందమా తరుణి గంధము ఉయ్యంగా తరుణి తరుణి గంధము ఉయ్యంగా తరుణి గంధము పుయ్యంగా తెల్లవారే తెల్లవారే తెల్లవారే
Entertaining, Hasya Rasa indeed. Before we finish with the final item of today, being Tillana, a small request to all the connoisseurs present here. Kindly do not move away once the Tillana is over, because we are continuing a few more minutes to honor our revered guests and our artists. So kindly stay for a few minutes after the Tillana is over. The last item of this evening's program is a Tillana. This is an important piece of abstraction which brings out the variety of cross-rhythmic patterns through the grammars of footwork. This item has been composed and choreographed by Dr. Padma Subramaniam and is in Raga Harini set to Adi Tala.
నదృతధీం ధిరనాధీం తధిర తదరదాతనితతో తననధిర నదృతధీం ధిరనాధీం తధిర తదరదాతరితతో 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 తననధిర నదృతధీం ಧೂಮ್ ಧನನದಿರ ನಾದ್ರದದಿ ನಿರನ ಧನಿದ ಧೂಮ್ ಧನನದಿರ ನಾದ್ರದದಿ ನಿರನ ಇಂತದಿರ ದರದ ದರಿದ ಧೂಮ್ ಧನನದಿರ ನಾದ್ರದದಿ ನಿರನ ಇಂತದಿರ ದರದ ದನಿದ ಧೂಮ್ ಧನನದಿರ ನಾದ್ರದದಿ ನಿರನ ಇಂತದಿರ ದರದ ಧೂಮ್ ಧನನದಿರ ನಾದ್ರದದಿ ನಿರನಾದಿಂ ತದಿರ ದರದನಿದ ಧೂಮ್ ಧನನದಿರ ನಾದ್ರದದಿ ನಿರನಾದಿಂ ತದಿರ ದರದನಿದ ನಾದ್ರದದಿ ನಿರನಾದಿಂ ತದಿರ ದರದನಿದ ಧೂಮ್ ಧನನದಿರ 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 ನಾದ್ರದದಿ ನಿರನಾ ದರದನಿದ ಧೂಮ್ ಧನನದಿರ ನಾದ್ರದದಿ ನಾದ್ರದದಿ ನಿರನಾ ನೀಂತದಿರ ದರದನಿದ ಧೂಮ್ ಧನನದಿರ 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 ನಾದ್ರದದಿ ನಾದ್ರದದಿ ನಿರನಾದಿಂ ತದಿರ ದರದನಿದ ಧೂಮ್ ಧನನದಿರ ನಾದ್ರದದಿ ನಿರನಾ ನೀಂತದಿರ ದರದನಿದ ಧೂಮ್ ಧನನದಿರ ನಾದ್ರದದಿ ನಿರನಾ ನೀಂತದಿರ ದರದನಿದ ಧೂಮ್ ಧನನದಿರ ನಾದ್ರದದಿ ದರದನಿದ ಧೂಮ್ ಧನನದಿರ ನಾದ್ರದದಿ ನಿರನಾ ನೀಂತದಿರ 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 ದರದನಿದ ಧೂಮ್ ಧನನದಿರ ನಾದ್ರದದಿ ನಿರನಾ ನೀಂತದಿರನಾ 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 ನೀಂತದಿರ ದರದ ದರಿದ ಧೂಮ್ ಧನನದಿರ ನಾದ್ರದದಿ ನಿರನಾ ನೀಂತದಿರನಾ 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 ನೀಂತದಿರ ದರದ ದರಿದ ಧೂಮ್ ಧನನದಿರ ಸನಿತ ಮಮ ಧನನದಿರ ದರಿಗಿಡ ಧೂಮ್ ಸಾದ ದರಿಗಿಡ ಧೂಮ್ ದಾದ ದರಿಗಿಡ ಧೂಮ್ ದಾದ ನಾದ್ರದದಿ ನಿರನಾ ನಾದ್ರದನಿ ತೋ 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 ತದಿ ಮಿರಿ ಮಿತ ತಗ ನಾನಿ 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 ತದಿ ತದಿ ಮಿತದಿ ತಾನಿ ದನನ ದನನ ದನ ನಾದ್ರದನಿ ತೋ 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 ತದಿ ಮಿರಿ ಮಿತ ತಗ ನಾನಿ 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 ತದಿ ತದಿ ಮಿತದಿ ತಾನಿ ದನ ದೃ ತೊಂದ್ರ ದೃ ಧನಿ ತೊಂದ್ರ ನಾದ್ರ ನಾದ್ರ ಧನಿ ರಿ ತಿಲ್ಲ ನದಿರ ನಾ ತೊಂದ್ರ ನೀ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ದ ನಾದ್ರ ದೃ ತೊಂದ್ರ ದೃ ಧನಿ ತೊಂದ್ರ ನಾದ್ರ ನಾದ್ರ ಧನಿ ರಿ ತಿಲ್ಲ ನದಿರ ನಾ ತೊಂದ್ರ ನೀ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ನಿ ದ ನ ನ ರಿ ರ ನ ದ ನ ದ ತಗುದರೆ ಗಿಡ ತೊಂದಿ ರ ನ ತಗುದರೆ ಗಿಡ ತೊಂದಿ ರ ನ ತಗುದರೆ ಗಿಡ ತೊಂದಿ ರ ನ ಧೀಂ ದ ದಿ ರ ದ ದ ರ ದ ದ ರಿ ದ ಧೋ ದ ನ ರಿ ರ ನ ದೃ ದ ದಿ ನಿ ರ ನ ಕಮಲ ಮುಖಚಂದ್ರ ಸರಸಿಜ ನಯನ ವಿಮಲ ಅಧರ ಕರುಣಾರಸಗಾನ ಕಮಲ ಮುಖಚಂದ್ರ ಸರಸಿಜ ನಯನ ವಿಮಲ ಅಧರ ಕರುಣಾರಸಗಾನ ಮುರಳಿ ಮುರಹರಿ ಗಿರಿಧರ ಪಾಲಯ ಮುರಳಿ ಮುರಹರಿ ಗಿರಿಧರ ಪಾಲಯ ತ್ರಿಭುವನ ಮೋಹನ ಶ್ರುತಿಲಯ ನರ್ತನ ತ್ರಿಭುವನ ಮೋಹನ ಶ್ರುತಿಲಯ ನರ್ತನ ಕಮಲ ಮುಖ ಚಂದ್ರ ಸರಸಿಜ ನಯನ ವಿಮಲ ಧರ ಕರುಣಾರಸಗಾನ ಮುರಳಿ ಮುನಹರಿ ಗಿರಿಧರ ಪಾಲಯ ತ್ರಿಭುವನ ಮೋಹನ ಶ್ರುತಿಲಯ ನರ್ತನ ತರಿನಂ ತರಿ ಗಿಡದ ಗಪದ ಗಪದ ನಿದ ನಂ ತರಿನಂ ತರಿ ಗಿಡದ ಗಪದ ನಿದ ಪಮ ನಂ ತರಿನಂ ತರಿ ಗಿಡದ ಗಪದ ಗಪದ ನಿದ ನಂ ತರಿನಂ ತರಿ ಗಿಡದ ಗಪದ ನಿದ ಪಮ ತತ್ತರಿ ಗಿಡ ವಿತ್ತರಿ ಗಿಡ ನೊಂದರಿ ಗಿಡ ನಂ ತರಿ ಗಿಡ ದುತ್ತಳಂಗುದರಿ ಗಿಡದ ನೀರನ್ನ ತರಿ ಗಿಡ ನೀರನ್ನ ತರಿ ಗಿಡ ನೀರನ ದೀಂತ ಧಿರ ರ ರ ರ ನಿ ರ ರೋ ಕರನ ಧಿರ ನಾದ್ರ ದಿ ನೀರನ పవమాన సుతుడు పటు పాదార విందములకు నామ రూపములకు మంగళం రాజేవ నయన త్యాగరాజా कार्यजं कर्मजं वा श्रवणनयनजं वा मानसं वा अपराधं विहितमविहितं वा सर्वमेतत् क्षमस्व शिव शिव करुणाधे श्रीमहादेव शम्भो
A few more minutes, kindly stay on. I invite the artists of today to kindly come on the dais and receive our revered guests. Srimati Harini Santanam, Kumari Namita B. Rao, Kumari Diksha Shastri, and Kumari Nayana R. Saumyaji. I now request the chief guest of the evening, Dr. Padma Subramaniam, to kindly adorn the dais. The expertise of every art form, including dance, music, literature, sculpture, and painting, allowing the art fraternity to silently admire, be inspired, and imbibe from her invaluable contributions. It seems like Mother Saraswati, out of sheer love and compassion, and with the purpose of upliftment of art creation and art appreciation, has sent her down with the assignment of her work. In recognition to her works, she was awarded the Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan from the President of India, the Sangeet Natak Academy Awards, Kalidasa Sanman from the Government of Madhya Pradesh, Kalaimamani and State Artist Award from the Government of Tamil Nadu. She is the only classical dancer in the world to receive the prestigious Fukuko Asian Cultural Prize from Japan for her contribution to development and harmony in Asia. On November 26, 2010, she was conferred the honorary fellowship by the Asiatic Society of Mumbai, founded in 1804, in the mind-boggling list of eminent scholars who have received this prestigious honor since 1815. She is the first performing artist to receive this honor for her academic achievements. She is also the first recipient to receive the newly instituted title of Natya Kala Acharya from the Music Academy, Chennai. The Sangeet Natak Academy has announced the Academy Ratna Fellow for Dr. Padma. This year happens to be the 70th year of her dance school Nrityodaya, which coincides with the 60th year of her continuous presence on stage. We are indeed blessed to have Dr. Padma Subramaniam with us today. I invite Shatabdani Dr. R. Ganesh to kindly come and adorn the dais. Shatabdani Dr. R. Ganesh, a postgraduate in engineering, has done his MA in Sanskrit, doctorate in literature in Kannada, as well as doctorate in Avadhanam. His biodata is as voluminous as his own works and his unparalleled intellect. These words are just to give a brief introduction about him. He is a linguistic with expertise in more than 17 Indian and foreign languages, including the Greek and Latin. His research papers published were more than 200, and many were published in more than one language. As an Avadhani, he has performed more than 650 Avadhanas and has given innumerable lectures. He has to his credit more than 100 cassettes and CDs on various topics. One of the specialities of Dr. Ganesh is the Kavya Chitra Geeta Nritya program, which is performed impromptu based on the choice of topic given by the audience. A versatile scholar, Avadhani par excellence, poet, excellent orator, and many more. Dr. Ganesh is a literary wizard, a precious treasure Mother India can be proud of. He is an eternal inspiration to all earnest seekers of art. I welcome Dr. Padma Subramaniam's family, the renowned eminent artists who have also joined us and graced this occasion. I welcome Dr. Shri Kannan, Balakrishnan, Dr. Gayatri Kannan, Kumari Mahati, and Chiranjeevi Shyam to kindly come on the dais. Okay. Yeah. We would like to honor Dr. Padma Subramaniam with our token of reverence and adoration for the artist that she is. A token of our affection, devotion, and admiration to Dr. Shatabdani Dr. R. Ganesh. I request Shri Kannan, Srimati Gayatri Kannan, Mahati, and Shyam to kindly receive our token of love.